other lane. There's a Land Rover behind me. Good morning. Hey, how are you all? I've missed you guys so much. So much. Yeah, guys, welcome to another vlog. Thank you so much for tuning in yet again. Remember to like, subscribe, and share the videos. Leave a comment as well. I really appreciate your comments. So it's a Saturday morning. You know how my vlogs run, miss. By now you should know. You should know how the drill goes. It's a Saturday morning. I'm going to work. I just want to say, guys, that one thing about money, it comes and it goes. It comes and it goes. And like the more you make of it, the more of it goes. The more of it goes. So I don't understand how I'm gonna behave when I'm a millionaire, because life just prompts you to spend the money. I think what I want right now is just an even skin tone. I don't want to be lighter. I'm fine with being dark. I don't mind really. I'm a black girl, you know. So yeah, please recommend your skin doctors. Please recommend skin products that I should use for my face. And I know Ali had recommended that I use a combination of prep, but they were too expensive for me. I was just like, ooh child, I ain't finna break a bank for this face, you know. I ain't finna break my bank for this face. But yeah, maybe I should try them. Hey guys, keep building. Let me plug you. If any of y'all has kids and you love quality chins, quality bogats, if you love quality bogats for your little one, exact Rebrand child, they have a clothing section. I don't know if I'm only discovering it now or it's always been there or it's very new, but I discovered the exact kids clothing section, and child, my life has never been the same. Quality clothes. I used to buy my son's clothes from Ackermans because it's quite affordable. You can get a lot from 1,000 pence. But I found out that jeans, because now my son is playing around and like he's gaining weight and losing weight and stuff like that because he's growing. Some of the jeans, like after a few washes, the blue is out or the size is off. They're either too big or too small. Like I just don't understand what's happening with those jeans. But yeah, I found out that like a lot of their jeans were just not. After a few washes, I would be like, I can't believe I bought this like a month ago. You know, so I found exact jeans, and girl, when I tell you about quality, hey, quality child. And I know like it's expected of exact because it's a very pretty little store, but I'm shocked. Never have I ever thought I would ever walk into that store and find something, because I'm tiny first of all, and it's shitty expensive. And yeah, it's just they have a kiddie section. So that they do. And guys, please, if you are buying Christmas clothes this very week, go to Exact. And they also have a sale. This is not a promo in any way. They have a sale where you get like 60% off. I put four sneakers in my cart, and the price was like 600 and something. And I was just like, child, stop it. Are you serious? So I need to clear my Ackermans cart. And yeah, Christmas clothing shopping will be done. Woo! I'm so glad I was able to not spend a lot for Christmas. Last year I went to Cotton On and child, when I tell you I regretted it immediately. I walked out of the store and I was just like, fuck, why did you spend such a huge amount of money on little people clothing? I hated that for me. But yeah, we are better people now. We look for sales and we look for quality clothing on sale, okay? And yeah, that's my plug, guys. But when you look at my face, hyperpigmentation, ekana. On the mouth. Yo, I deserve them. I think I'm gonna go to my nails. I have to play my hair. Thinking as I'm putting my zonke. My nails, my hair. Yonke minkinga yami naifuna tshelede. Minkinga yatshisezo yonke ifuna tshelede. Hey, let me just focus on driving. See you guys maybe after work. Hopefully after work or tomorrow I'll get breakfast. Or today when I'm doing my nails. But for some food as well, very mengak. Mengak ako kay didn't add some receptionists. Guys, I'm not proud of this. Like, I've never been this late for a cake. Spirit of December, leave me alone. These are December spirits that are entering innocent bodies like mine. Stop it. Will you stop? Stop. Alright guys, see you after work. Batubaka. Hey. I will pull mo. Kadibona shero. Kadibona. HD. High definition. Good. High definition can who says okay, there isn't one. What's the new technology? Is it LED? LED. HD can I say LED? I will look at it. I sent to be corrected. But some of the patient that day na yo. Hi bo. As I got to so get the patient. I'm supposed to knock off at 1. 1:30 manyan. 1:30 ngayon ako na that's why invoice we're in only 30 minutes. We're 30 minutes because there's no way, guys. There's no way. What's wrong with you guys? I'm so hungry. I'm just gonna keep driving and focus. Thanks for coming along with me so far. Let's go home. Guys, I don't know I don't know how I forget this one. How on earth I forget this very important one? This guy comes in, he has hemorrhoids. He said hemorrhoids for like what? Hemorrhoids can get piles, you know? The guy only did piles, guys. He's been having them for like over a month. Shut. It's late. I'm like, can I not examine? In my head, like, can I not examine, just give him treatment and stuff? Because I already know it's hemorrhoids. Description says hemorrhoids. Sharp. And then I'm like, no. Holy Spirit, Ari, check them out. Holy Spirit doesn't come to us. So today, betraying. Holy Spirit, no, check them out, child. Okay, come, baby. Little man. Can you come, baby? Let me check these hemorrhoids out. Child, it's children stuff. The guy, Ari. No, they're not out, ne? I think he was trying to, like, sort of, so that I don't examine him. So I'm gonna know they're not bad, but like it's just discomfort. I'm like, no, let me just see, so that I make sure, which like I don't give you treatment and then you need surgical intervention. That's okay, cool. And then the guy, hey guys, today I need to go watch by the ocean. That guy, you know what that motherfucker did? He they address, he they lie in fetal position, and they inspect. I'm like, don't bet down now, ne? I'm gonna tell you when to bet down. The guy they bet down, the guy they fat on my face. A grown-ass man fought it on my beautiful face. Now I see where the hyperpigmentation is coming from. It's a dark spot in my face. There is the formula making sense. I thought I should just share, guys. I thought the Holy Spirit now say sha, and I sha, and I hope they see there's no glamour in practicing medicine. There is no glamour, not even an ounce of glamour in the practice of medicine. And I have to walk into my place, and I'm not willing to risk my rig being in the rain water, and now I gotta wash it and stuff. I mean, it does need a wash and stuff, but like, Do we have to do this? Do we really have to do this? I like you when I asked my boyfriend to come and fetch me downstairs. I need to tell you, Mama, my soup. I honestly don't wanna walk out here. I'm not feeling like walking in the rain. This thing slaps Nyanas. A bit too sugary and sweet. I would have been happier if I drank more fire. One thing about more fire, it's got more fire. Also, I'm not happy with the fact that I drank this without having rinsed the top part. I usually just prefer to rinse it because you never know. COVID taught us a lot. You never know. You just never know. Also, guys, there's a church meeting going on. When I walked out in the morning, only to find out that downstairs kunama big pots and a gas stove. People are cooking, and now I can see abantu besonto outside. Disappointed by the rain, obviously, but yeah, I can tell you these people are full. One thing about these people, they are full, baba. Because the chakalaka benuga in the morning, dang, I want to go get some for myself, child. But obviously, decorum. Sometimes I hate morals, but like I wish I didn't have so much, you know. I wish they didn't instill so much. Essence Shine Volume Lip Gloss, top 2 and not. Thank you. Danko means thank you. But just sing as such a dango because anyway, child, the rain is gone now. I'm just gonna walk into the house. Alright, guys, thank you for coming along with me so far. Thus far, till this far. See you guys later. Or just now. Okay, bye. 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 Hi everyone, I made it to the house, yay! I made it! Now I'm just gonna eat. I'm so hungry. Baby cooked. You must get boyfriends like mine. Baby cooked, and I'm about to eat. I'm so hungry. I'm so hungry. Babe, I wanna do my nails. But look up. Why? You went for a haircut? Huh? Okay, you want to be part of my vlog? Why? Yeah? Why? Some banana food, everyone. So I've just been chilling here at home. I've already eaten. I had a few snacks. One snack. And tomorrow I want to go to I'm taking my friend out, my childhood friend. Remember how I said I was gonna be intentional about making friends and like, you know. So my childhood friend called me and like she's like, hey, I'd like to see you. We haven't talked in a while. We haven't talked in a long time. And I was just like, you know what? I'm gonna take her out. So tomorrow we're going out, but I also wanna do like a mini photo shoot at that event that we've chosen to go to. And I realized I don't have black trousers. I do have black trousers, the ones that I was wearing for date night, but I want like black cargo pants. I want black cargo pants because I feel like they would work out perfectly for the outfit that I have in mind. I hope it doesn't rain tomorrow because it's raining cats and dogs right now. Like, it's sunny, as you guys can see from the reflection on the camera. It's quite sunny now, but it was raining cats and dogs, you guys, so I showed you. So I just hope it doesn't, because I'm planning on going later tomorrow, like after 2 p.m. and stuff. So I remember the last time I went with Ria, it was raining, and you know, it's not nice when I chill on the grass and the grass is wet. It's not cool. So yeah, so I want to see, so now I want to go to Mr. Price and see if I cannot get like black cargo pants. I saw them online for like $257 or something like that. If not, then I have to make it work with whatever I have in my wardrobe, and that would suck because I don't think there's anything in my wardrobe, but I'll find something. I'm gonna go to Mr. Price now, and then maybe I'll do my nails, guys. I'm thinking I'm gonna go there, do my nails, and then it rains and but we'll see. But I really want to do my nails. Candles. So yeah, that's what's going on right now. And yeah, guys, see you when I come back. I'll try to see if I can vlog at Mr. Price, but I probably will. So yeah, let's go to Mr. Price, guys. Morning, everyone. Wow. Ooh, my day's already a mess. I don't want to lie. So today is the day that I'm supposed to go for breakfast with my colleague, and man, when I tell you that I am late and I didn't get to do my makeup because I was late, obviously. So last night I ended up cleaning, and that took a bit of time because the house was very dirty. So I cleaned, I slept so late, and then when I had to wake up, obviously I woke up late because I had slept for like what, a few hours. Yeah, so that's what happened, and I'm so mad at myself because I'd really. Oh, also I have earrings on today. I don't usually wear earrings, so that's very exciting. So anyway, I did notify Nkosinathi that I'm gonna be a bit late, so he says he's going to wait. He doesn't mind, so I guess that's what we're doing. And this place is so far. It is so far. Like, yo, guys. But anyway, it's fine. I'm gonna have a good day. And like, guys, my skin is just, it has its own life, Nje. It has its own life. I understand about Gonzagalan. But yeah. So we're heading to we're heading to what's the restaurant? Tin and Tender in Cresta. That's where we're gonna have breakfast. I'm so bummed because, actually not, because I'm late. It's not that it will make a difference. But like, they're open at 11:30. So when I get there, they still won't be open. So we're gonna have to like do something or like chill somewhere or whatever. But yeah, that's what's happening. I need to use the GPS. So I'll see you guys at breakfast. Dimse. Okay, so guys, I have arrived at the restaurant. I think I got here first. So I'm basically earlier than my colleague. So yeah, I'm just gonna go in and then yeah, we'll see.
The way you are, my sister, you don't deserve to travel to Japan.
Is it dirty?
Yeah.
Are you saying it's dirty?
Yeah, it's
That means I didn't wash it properly, miss. That's what you're saying.
I know, you said you done it like last week. You know.
Yeah, I think it just needs a bit. So what are you gonna do?
First I use water. Can I show you the tip so then you can... You see, you got a tip.
A what?
You got
A tap.
And then you also got the other one in tin and tender.
Uh-huh.
Yes. Water first in the weights and the body polish. And also polish the tires as well. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to apply the window guard for you.
A window what?
Window guard.
Window guide.
It's a polish.
Okay.
That polish name, you can protect your windows when it comes to your rain marks. You see, because it was running. And then you see this thing's name, the rain marks. I know it's going to damage your windows.
Really?
Yeah.
In what way?
In what way, because your car is get rainy, and then you see those marks.
But isn't it like when you dust, if you do this, you can dust it out because it's just dust.
No, it needs a polish.
A polish?
Yeah, it
I
needs
don't
a
think
polish.
I want a polish. How much is a polish?
It's for you, Nim. I'm gonna do everything for 99.
For 90 rand.
Yeah, 90 already.
Hmm.
Body polish and whatever, everything.
How long does it take?
You see, even also when it comes to the black things, like I'm gonna put the polish as well. Yeah. And the small scratches, I'm gonna take that for you. You see, even people put the open in your car, your his neck, the scratching with the nails. So then I'm gonna take it off with these scratches.
I don't know. I'm so conflicted because I washed this car. I washed it myself and I thought I did a great job. So if you're saying I didn't do a great job.
You know, you also take the swipe.
There?
We do the swipe, the e-wallet, everything.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, just yeah.
Just wash it doing.
I washed it myself. Newtown.
Yeah.
You like Newtown and kind of what's that other one? Maboneng.
When
The other time I saw you in Senton
last
at
time,
Mandela Square. No? Hello, my darlings. Same day, different outfits. I tell you. December 8, you must keep different outfits in your boot. If not, wasala. I'm telling you, wasala. So, guys, now I'm on my way to farmers markets. Unfortunately, we couldn't take my son because, oh boy, agase muji. So I knew if I were to take him, it was gonna cause us problems. So I'm with Kaisano. And we are going to farmers. The other child is sleeping there. Yeah. I'll see you guys around. I'll show you guys around when we get there. I'll film and then you guys will go through this with us. Peace. Guys, that time I didn't even eat much. Like I just had a lot to drink because the meat that I ate earlier was too salty, so I felt a bit dehydrated. Manje, nisute. Let's go home, and yeah, tomorrow it's a work day. I'm actually guys to work. We'll see. But yeah, that's it for me. Remember to like, subscribe. Remember to like, subscribe, and share the video, and also leave a comment. I really appreciate your comments, guys. Yeah, go to social media, follow me everywhere. I'm on Instagram and Facebook, but y'all don't use Facebook because you are short people. You use Twitter, and I am on Twitter, but with the ghost account. So no. So please follow me on Instagram. I'm Chima Shilwane. And yeah, guys, see you in the next video. Bye. And that is how we wrap up another beautiful weekend. You guys have the privilege of going with me to work today, and I really hope you enjoyed this segment of my video. Remember, to keep growing this channel, we need to stay subscribed, like, click the notification bell so that you're notified every time I release a new video, and share each and every video that is released. I love you guys so much, and thank you for all the support that you keep giving onto this channel. See you on the next one.